Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here called Clicklancers, right? So maybe you landed on this website, you saw it on social media, and you're wondering, can you really make $120 daily just from watching video ads? Okay, so let's take a look at this website. I'm going to review Clicklancers from start to finish, and then you can decide whether or not you should be investing your time to watch video ads, and let's see if you can really make money from this website. Now, I've reviewed hundreds of different make money online style websites. I've seen the good, the bad, the ugly. Some are really good and some are really bad. So let's take a look at Clicklancers. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite strategy to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month, 100% from home, just go ahead and click the link below in the description box and I'll send you that training directly to your email, okay? Now, let's look at Clicklancers. Now, there are a lot of ad watching platforms like Clicklancers. Okay, now the first thing that I want to say is that when you log onto this website, now this is a nice looking website. You can log on from pretty much anywhere in the world, and you can get in through the Android or the App Store, which is very cool. All right, and they do really pay out, this company. Okay, but watch till the end of this video because there are a few caveats that you have to understand before you can actually withdraw your money, and this may really make the difference between whether or not you want to invest your time into this website. All right, now when you log in to this website, every single video that you watch, they will pay you out 40 cents, and every single video you watch is very short. Okay, it's literally a video like this, and usually they're only about 20 to 30 seconds long. Now, I first want to say that because I've been doing this a long time and I've reviewed a lot of different types of websites, and I've reviewed quite a few of these ad watching type of websites, for any of them to pay you 40 cents for a 20 to 30 second video is unheard of. Okay, most other ad watching platforms online that are legitimate, they pay out 100%, they've been around for years, will usually only pay out 1 cent or less than 1 cent for every video that you watch. Okay, so that's the industry average. So for a company like Clicklancers to pay you 40 cents for every ad that you watch is unheard of. That's just very, very weird. Okay, so for me, that's already a red flag. Now, I'm not saying that they don't pay out, but there must be a reason why they're able to pay out so much more than hundreds of other ad watching platforms out there, right? Because on average, industry average is 1 cent or a tenth of a cent for every ad that you watch. So how are these guys making their money? Okay, so let's take a closer look at how this works, right? So if you log in and you compare the plans, you can basically upgrade. So the way that this particular website works is they make money from people like you and me investing in packages with them. That's how it works, okay? They don't make money from advertising. They don't make money from ad networks like YouTube or anything like that. They make money 100% from you because you decide to upgrade for watching ads on their platform, okay? So this is how it works. If you start for free, it is a 10-day trial, okay? And yes, you can make money, and they pay you 40 cents per ad that you watch, but you can only watch 3 ads per day, which means that you can only make $1.20 per day. But because it's a 10-day free trial and they have a $15 threshold, you will never hit that threshold. Does that make sense? Because you can only make $1.20 per day times 10 days, which means that you can only make $12. They have a $15 threshold. That means that the free trial, it's impossible for you to withdraw your money because you'll be $3 below their $15 threshold. Okay, so it's a bit of a trick here, right? It's a marketing gimmick, right? So you can start for free, you can watch 3 videos a day, and you'll see that you're earning $1.20 a day, and this will literally only take you 1.5 minutes. Very, very short, okay? And you'll see that your money is racking up in your back office, but then because there's only a 10-day free trial, you have to upgrade. You have no choice, okay? So let's take a look at the plan. So they're very clever the way that they do this, right? So it's $39 to join the first package. It's 40 cents per video. You can only watch 4 video ads per day, which means that you really do earn $1.60, okay? And that is a monthly earning of $48, okay? But if you pay $39, how much are you actually earning, right? So it's basically $39 per year, right? So you're earning, okay, so $48 minus 39 equals to $9. So the first month you earn $9, and then after that you are able to earn a little bit more than that, okay? And but basically you have to pay 39 bucks in order for you to get that kind of money. So if you do the calculations, you might be thinking, well, Aaron, I actually can make money from this, and you can, all right? But the problem is that because these guys are making money 100% from people like you and me who join the platform and pay them money, they're basically losing money every single day, all right? So it's not that you can't make money from this platform, you can, but the question is how long are these guys going to be around before they have to close shop, and then the people that join a little bit later lose out and you basically lose money. Okay, so let me show you the plans. They've got a lot of plans. They've got a $39 plan, they've got a $95 plan, and they've got up to $1,800 that you pay up front. That's a lot of money, okay? Yes, you can really earn $74 per day, all right? And if you look at the monthly earnings, you could potentially earn $2,000 per month, but you have to watch 93 ads a day, and you'll get 80 cents per video, right? But the problem is that you still have to pay $1,800 up front. And the problem here is you don't know how long these guys are going to be around. So if you're lucky and you get in early and you pay $1,800 in this particular package, for example, right? And you start watching ads and you manage to make your money back because they allow you to watch up to 93 ads a day, and you do make, let's just say, you do it for a few months and you earn a little bit more than 1,800, and then they close down, then you've made a little bit of profit. Does that make sense? But if you're unlucky, because we don't know how long these guys will be around for, right? And you're doing this for maybe, let's just say 2 months, and you only make just over $1,000, well, you've lost 800 bucks or 700 bucks. Does that make sense? So this is a very, very strange type of business model. So these guys don't make money the normal way. A lot of other, click platforms, where you watch ads, they make money from advertising revenue that they charge their separate clientele to put ads onto their platform. That's how they make money. So it's sustainable. That means every single month you come in, you watch a few ads, and they make money majority from ad revenue that they drive from their client base, right? But these guys, they make their money 100% from you joining one of their packages. Now, if you do the math on this, if you actually look at it closely, it doesn't make sense. They're losing money for every single person that buys. Does that make sense, right? So if you spend $39, eventually, after one or 2 months, they're losing money on you as a customer, right? So how is that sustainable? It's not sustainable, right? So eventually, they will have to close down. So this is the way that it works. They make most of their money from people that don't actually scrutinize the website. A lot of people just look at it and be like, "Oh, I spent $39 a year. Yeah, sure, I can get into profit after a couple of months." And you can, depending on the package, right? And what happens is when you refer your friends, they make money too, right? You refer your friends join, and that sort of thing. But this is not sustainable. So at some point, these guys will have to close down their website. They would have taken their money, they would have made a profit, right? But for the unlucky people that joined at the slightly bigger plans, and it's taking them longer to make their money back, they might end up losing money. Okay, so I'm not saying that you can't make money from this thing. You can, but this is almost like a Ponzi scheme. If you get in early and you start watching ads and you make your money back, then you would have made your money, and they pay out, okay, after $15 thresholds. But later on, if you join bigger packages and you keep investing in the bigger packages, because maybe you invest $220 and you make a profit and you're like, "Ooh, this thing really works." Then you invest in the $600 package, and then maybe they close down in a couple of months. You would be out probably a few $100s. Do you see how this works, right? So it's almost like they kind of trick you to invest a little bit of money at the start. Okay, they've got their own money, they keep the site going. You do really make money, they pay out, more people join, and it kind of builds the Ponzi, right? It keeps building and building and building, and eventually it'll be so big that they're making enough money and they decide, okay, we're gonna have to close down because we can't keep paying out people money and we're losing money over time. They run away with their money, and then the people that invested a lot later on, they end up losing. That's how this works, okay? So this is a very clever ad watching Ponzi scheme, basically. That's what it looks like to me, okay? And I've been doing this a long time. I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. And this one is pretty sneaky. Again, I'm not saying that you can't make money. It just depends on when you get in to this website and if you're lucky or if you're unlucky. Because if you time it wrongly and you're unlucky, you're probably going to end up losing money. But if you got in early, maybe you'll be able to make a little bit of money from this thing. Okay, so just be careful. Again, most ad watching video platforms, they don't pay 40 cents per view. No way. It's impossible to make that much. I mean, you're making 40 cents for 30 seconds of watching a video. How do they make money? It's impossible, right? So again, a few red flags there. I'm not saying that you can't make money from this, but we don't know how long this is going to be around, and you might, invest in a bigger package and then they end up closing down and they run away with all their profits, and then you get stuck with, unfortunately, losing some of your money. So just be careful is all I'm saying. All right. So if you want to check it out, you can at ClickLances.com. I think there are better ways and safer ways to make money on the internet, and there are some other legitimate ad watching platforms out there. But again, you're making pennies on the dollar per view. You're making 1 cent or 1/10 of a cent for every video that you watch. So it's a lot more difficult for you to make a lot of money in the more legit ad watching platforms, if that makes sense. Okay, so that's my review of ClickLances. Just be careful with this type of website, okay? Again, this is a ad watching Ponzi scheme, and it depends on how, when you got in. You can potentially make a little bit of money, but it's pretty risky. All right. Now, if you're watching this video right now, you're probably looking for a way to make money on the internet. I've again reviewed all sorts of different ways, and some are great ways to make money, and others are very, very difficult to make money because they only pay out, a couple of dollars a day, right? I want to show you my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 US a month, and all you need to spend is 1 to 2 hours a day. This is a real skill set. So if you would like to learn how to do that, I'm teaching it for free. All you need to do is just click the link in the description box, and I'll send it directly to your email. You can check it out if you'd like. And I hope you enjoyed this review of ClickLances, and I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.